Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to check Instagram comment history, so let's start. First go on Instagram app. After that go on this little icon of your profile. Then click on this 3 lines. Now go on your activity. After that click on interactions. Then comment. Now you can see all your comments on your post. Also you can tap on comment and you can see comments of that post. You can delete multiple comments, just tap on select. And tap on comments you want to delete. And delete. And you are done. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.